Hello everyone. All right, let me take you through the expectations for today, Monday. Here we have your Google Classroom for physical science. Let's pull up your playlist. Just as a reminder, if you need to schedule an appointment with me for my office hours, make sure you're clicking this link to get to my Google Calendar. This is how you email me, and here is our remind text. Remember to text me through Remind if you need to get a hold of me immediately. Currently we are in Chapter 15, Energy and Matter, and these are the learning objectives that we are going over in this chapter. Today is Monday, November 9th, and today we are reading Chapter 15.1, pages 216 to 219. If you do not have your book with you, you can click this link and it will pull up directly in your Google Classroom the link to our PDF copy. All right, so let's get back to our playlist. Those of you who have a Bookshare account, where you can go directly to the Bookshare account, see me if you need to get your login information. Bookshare does read the book directly to you out loud, so let me know if you need your login information or if you have lost it, and I'll get you that information. This link here will take you directly to the Bookshare website. Today we will be doing, after you have read pages 216 to 219, you will be completing the lesson review questions, number 1 through 4. They are located on page 219 in your book, so you will need your book. This link takes you directly to the Google document in your Google Classroom for you to complete it on. Make sure you completed it on the document and submit it in Google Classroom. If you would rather complete it on your own sheet of paper, that is fine. Please make sure you are following the directions on how to submit your own sheet of paper in Google Classroom. If you forget how, that is fine. Just make sure you are following the directions in your Resources tab. There is a video on how to use your phone to turn in your homework in Google Classroom, right in your Resources tab there in your Google Classroom. So back to our playlist. Once you are done and you submitted your lesson review, you are going to complete your words to know. It is a Google form. You just complete it right there in Google Forms and then click Submit when you are done. Of course, you may use your book to help you complete the worksheet. And as always, if you prefer a paper copy, let me know. It is available. All right. Thank you so much. Let me know if you have any questions. Have a wonderful day.